The armed forces of Russian Federation and Ukraine reported the progress front line in the last 24 hours. There were armed clashes in some places June 6. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 84 artillery units of the AFU at their firing positions, manpower and military hardware at 114 areas. Ammunition depots of the AFU 57th and 72nd Mechanized Brigades and the AFU 108th Territorial Defence Brigade have been destroyed close to Bogdanovka, Dobrovolye, Donetsk People's Republic, and Shcherbaki, Zaporozhye region, said Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman. Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson, said in total the armed forces of Ukraine lost 433 fighter jets, 236 helicopters, 4,486 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 air defense missile systems and 9,431 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles. Also 1,114 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 5,009 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,688 special military motor vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement June 6 said Russia lost 800 servicemen in a single day, including 12 tanks, 20 armored combat vehicles as well as 36 artillery units and 23 drones. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky thanked to all strategic partners who help Ukraine. Zelensky, said Ukraine to receive significant number of F-16s. President Volodymyr Zelensky said during a press conference that Ukraine will receive a significant number of F-16 fighter jets, based on discussions with European partners. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 468 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!